Healthy Habits, present by Juan Calvo, instructor, Silvia Nova, logistic process coordination. How do I take care of my mental health? I take care of my mental health by doing breathing exercise and physical activity like aerobic exercise. This helps me reduce stress and feel better. I believe that the body and the mind are connected, so it is important to keep a balance between them. I also take moments of silence, observe the landscape, and focus on the sound of nature. This helps me relax my mind and improve my well-being. Food your health. I take care of my diet by eating in a balanced way. I eat pork, one and wheat, and I also eat meat and chicken when I will. I include vegetables 2 or 3 times a week, and I eat beans and lentils once or twice a month. I also eat cheese almost every day and drink water in a controlled way during the day. In addition, I avoid fast food and I almost never drink soda. I do I do not like broccoli, so I do not eat it, and I I eat little bread. I believe that having a varied and moderate diet is very important to take care of my health and well-being. What does your body need? Carbs for energy like rice, bread, protein for muscle like eggs, beans, fat for brain and body like nuts, olive oil, vitamins and minerals for health from fruit, veggies, water super important. My current physical activity routine. I currently doing road exercise from Monday to Friday for for 30 minutes. Should I activate walking light like jogging and general aerobic exercise with 5 minutes break between sessions. In addition, on Saturday night I play seven and side soccer for 1 hour, which helps me improve my physical condition and reduce stress. With this routine, I complete more more than 115 minutes of physical activity per week, which support my physical and mental well-being. Personal goal to fully meet my WHO recommendation. My goal is to include a strength exercise to 10 per for 22, 26 and per 22-25 minutes to strengthen my small muscle and improve my overall health. Thank you.